Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. Thanks for logging into Weather Now. No doubt a cool start to the week after the mild temperatures we had over the weekend. And quite a bit of rain late last night and early this morning. Take a look outside. This is as of 7:15 in the evening that we're taping this. You see the cloudy, kind of gray, cool conditions in Providence. The heavy rain's gone, obviously, but some occasional sprinkles are possible this evening. But if you're heading out, I wouldn't expect anything really widespread or heavy. Speaking of heavy, it was a pretty good soaking early this morning. Some spots just shy of an inch of rain, about almost 9/10 of an inch of rain in Providence, about 3/4 of an inch in Smithfield. And again, most of tonight should be void of any heavy rain outside of a few sprinkles. High temps today, pretty cool, only upper 40s to low 50s. In fact, we'll stay with the cooler than average temperatures right on through Tuesday, and then we'll start a very slow moderation in temperature by the end of the week. In fact, I don't see temperatures getting back into the 60s here until, probably Saturday. Take a look at some of the things we're tracking, which, of course, a cool start to the week, and that includes for Tuesday as well. High temperatures on Tuesday, only upper 40s to around 50. And we'll bring in some rain late day. Now, most of Tuesday, the morning hours should feature only either some mist or a few sprinkles. I think the steadier and heavier rain, the kind that would require an umbrella, sometime after 5 or 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening. That'll spill over into Tuesday night, and then milder temperatures for the end of the week and part of the weekend. On the satellite and radar composite, low clouds overhead right now. And, which direction the wind is blowing makes all the difference in the world around here as far as the temperature, especially during the springtime season because the ocean is still cold. So we have this this boundary, this alternating red and blue line right in here. That's a stationary front. And, the weather on either side of this boundary is like night and day. So case in point, New York City at last check, as of the 7 o'clock hour, was 78 degrees. Here in Providence, 45. So just an incredible, what we call temperature gradient. And, that almost summer-like air is knocking on our doorstep, but it doesn't really get in here. In fact, we'll stay cool again for tomorrow. Here's our next system that we're watching. Just an area of rain, area of low pressure across the upper Great Lakes. This will move south and east, arriving here by late day tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. It'll give us some rain. In fact, let me walk you through it hour by hour. Starting off this evening, and you can see, there's no sunshine. Wait for the data to fill in. But we've got some low clouds for this evening, along with, there you go, some spotty sprinkles, but not much in the way of rain. You see the low clouds reinforcing themselves, moving back in overnight. Now, this is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. See that little blip of green? That's not heavy rain, but rather some mist or some sprinkles, so a cool, gray, damp start early on Tuesday morning. But most of the daytime is void of any heavy rain. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Though, look at the temperature. I mean, it's ridiculous. Only 45 to 50, so pretty cool. And then by late day, early evening, now this is around 6 o'clock. You see the rains are starting to work in. And at times it'll be heavy. This is around 7 o'clock in the evening. And then later Tuesday night, still tracking some rain shower activity. So for this evening, outside of a couple of sprinkles, just kind of cloudy and cool, little patchy fog along the coastline. Tomorrow morning, really not much in the way of heavy rain, just kind of overcast and cool, starting off in the upper 30s to lower 40s. There may be some occasional sprinkles or some mist, especially early in the morning. And then during the afternoon hours, temperatures only about 45 to 50, and we'll start bringing in some of that steadier rain late day, early evening, sometime after, say, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. All right, 7-day forecast. Wednesday's not bad. It's cool. It's in the lower 50s, a blend of both clouds and sunshine. Thursday, looking at about 55 degrees. Sun to increasing clouds, but dry. We're bringing some rain showers on Friday, though. I'm thinking this is kind of a late day, more like a Friday evening, Friday night as far as shower activity. Mildest weather on Friday, inland at 55 to 60. There'll be a stiff sea breeze, a gusty southwest breeze off the ocean on Friday. Should keep the coastline a lot cooler. And finally on Saturday, we'll get temps up into the mid to upper 60s. A little cooler on Sunday. Check back with us on the timing on this, but right now the game plan is to keep Sunday day dry, some rain Sunday night. Should that system approach sooner, then we'd have to bring in rain during the daytime on Sunday. But right now, sun to increasing clouds, dry Sunday, rain Sunday night, spilling over into a Marathon Monday, the Boston Marathon, cool and wet with temperatures that'll be in the upper 40s. That's still 7 days down the road. In the meantime, unseasonably cool next 24 to 36 hours, and the next chance for a slightly steadier, heavier rain very late tomorrow afternoon, more than likely tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. So that's the latest. Check back with me tonight at 10 and 11 o'clock on Eyewitness News for your updated forecast, and thanks for logging in.